In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create horizontal scrolling images in Figma. Let's dive right in. We begin by setting up our initial stage for this project. Start by creating a frame that will accommodate the size of the images you want to use. You can adjust this frame based on the overall layout you envision. Think of this frame as your canvas, ready to display the collection of images in an engaging side-by-side arrangement. Introduce your chosen images into this frame by placing them next to each other. Feel free to select as many images as your project requires. The goal is to have them align seamlessly in a horizontal sequence. Once your images are placed in the frame, it's time to arrange them in a more dynamic way. Here's a great trick. Select all the images you've added and then hit Shift-A to activate the auto layout feature. With this step, Figma conveniently organizes all selected images into one comprehensive frame, making it easier to manage and visualize as a single unit. Now, with your newly created image frame, we need to integrate it into your design workspace. Drag this frame over to your test area frame. As you position it, you'll notice a blue highlight marking the borders of your main frame. These highlights will guide you in ensuring each element fits flawlessly within your test area. Adjust the size of your image frame as needed to fit neatly within the boundaries, making sure no part of your design spills over or gets cut off. Having set up the visual aspect of your scrolling feature, let's move on to the interactive component that makes this project stand out. Navigate to the Prototype tab of Figma. Here, you'll have access to a variety of behaviors designed to enhance interactivity. Focus on the scroll behavior options and select the overflow control. This is a crucial step because by adjusting the overflow setting to horizontal, you enable the capacity for users to interact with your images through scrolling, providing a slideshow effect that feels modern and intuitive. Now comes the fun part, previewing your work. Once you activate the horizontal scrolling feature, enter the preview mode to see everything in action. Watch as your images fluidly scroll from side to side, creating an immersive experience that's perfect for many applications, whether showcasing photos or designing a sleek portfolio piece. And there you have it. You've successfully created a stunning horizontal scrolling image feature in Figma. Remember to experiment with different images and layouts to make the most of this tool in your designs. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing.